In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see Nifty Option chart in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to bring up live charts for Nifty Options. So you can analyze calls and puts just like any other instrument on the platform. Start by opening Tradingview's full-featured chart. This is the main workspace where you'll spend most of your time. In the top left corner of the chart, look for the symbol search field. Click it. Then type Nifty. You'll see several results, including the index, futures, and sometimes related instruments. Make sure you are selecting the Nifty index that corresponds to your preferred exchange. Once you have Nifty as your active symbol, look within the search window or the instrument details area for an options tab. Click Options and Tradingview will display the available calls and puts tied to Nifty. Inside this options view, you'll typically see contracts grouped by expiration dates and listed by strike price. Calls and puts are shown separately, so it's easy to switch between them. This layout is helpful because it mirrors an options chain, allowing you to quickly compare strikes and expiries before you open a chart. If you are new to options, remember, calls generally benefit from upward moves in the underlying, while puts generally benefit from downward moves. Pick the side you are interested in, select the expiration you want to analyze, and then pick a specific strike. You can also get to the same place from the Nifty symbol page. Navigate to the Nifty instrument page on Tradingview. Click the Options tab there and choose a strike price from the chain. Either route takes you to the same outcome. When you click a contract, Tradingview opens that option's dedicated price chart. Once the chart loads, you are looking at the option's price over time, not the index itself. From here, you can interact with the chart like you normally would change timeframes. Zoom in on recent candles. And add your favorite tools or drawings to support your analysis. If you don't immediately see the Options tab, double-check that Nifty is the active symbol and that you are on a supported exchange listing. Availability can vary by region and data permissions. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.